I'm Pushpa. In this video, we will be going to see the draw commands which are used in the AutoCAD. So first draw command we will be using is the line command. So the short form for this is the L enter. Here we have to type the L enter, L enter. So we will be getting the line. So or else here we can click and we get the line command. So specify first point. Whether we can specify by giving the coordinate values. So let us take here, from here to here I am taking a line from here. So we have to specify the height. So let us provide 2, enter. So now we have to provide the length of it. So let us provide 3, enter. So let us provide 10 here, 6, enter. See, this is how we can use the line command. So next coming to the polyline. So let us make similar figure by this so that we can identify the difference between line and polyline. So let us specify first one. Okay. Next second point, let us give 8, enter. Okay. 5, enter. 7, enter. Let us give 3, enter. So this is how we have formed this figure. We have formed by the polyline, and this one we have formed by the line command. So what are the differences between these two? So let us see. If we have taken the selection cursor, just double click here and drag this one so that we can select all the objects. So here we can see each object, each line is, see, if I click here, only one line has been selected. So if I click here, from here to here, the first point is this one and second point, last point is this one. Okay. So this has been selected. So here, like this, it is selecting. So click escape. Now coming to this, if we have, see, whole object has been selected. So this is the difference between a line and polyline. If we want to select the object by line wise, we have to go for the line command. If we have to select all the objects from by once, we have to go to the polyline command. These are the differences between line and polyline. Next come to the circle. In circle we will be having more options. Like here we are having the 6 options. So here first one is the center radius. In command line we will be given instructions what we have to do next. So first we have to click here. Here it is specifying that center comma radius. So we have to provide a center and a radius for it. So click here. Now we have to specify a radius. So let us give it as a 3. So this one circle has been formed. Let us take the another one. Center diameter. So we have to first specify the center and then we have to specify the diameter. So let us take diameter as 3. Enter. So here only radius is 3 meters we have selected. So whole circle diameter will be 6 centimeters. Now will be, here only diameter is 3 meters. So radius will be 1.5 meters. So let us select 2 points. We have to select the 2 points, then it will be formed. It will be forming circle. So first specify the first endpoint. Let us here. Now select this second point here. we have found another one. So now we have the 3 points. Okay, first we have select here, here and here. Specify center point of for a circle. Center point. Next this one. This is how we form the circle and line, polyline. Okay. In arc we will be having 9 options. So first 3 we first see this one. Start, center, end. So first we have to specify a starting point, center point and end point. So select this one. So I want to start my arc from this point. Now I have to provide the center point. That is given as 4. Now I have to provide the arc end point. I want this much. This is my required arc. So let us select another one. Start, center, angle. In this we have to specify the angle also. So first specify the start point. Okay. We have specified the start point. Now we have to specify the center point. So we will be providing 3. Now we have to provide the angle. So let us make it as 60 degrees. Here you can see we have formed arc by giving the starting point, center point and an angle. So now we have to give the starting point, center point and the length of the arc. So let us select. Here we have to form. Now we have to give the center. Now we have to give what the length of the arc. So let us 12. This one is our required arc. Now another options are start, end and angle. First we have to specify starting and ending, then angle. Okay, click here. Starting point. Now we have to specify the end point. Now let us make it as 30 degrees. See here are the arc. So let us do the start end direction. So we have to first specify the starting point. It is showing us the instructions. So specify start point or arc. Okay. Let us click here. And now we have to specify the end point. So let us click here. Now we have to specify the direction. So in this direction. So this one is the required arc. Start, end and radius. Start, end, radius 3. Enter. This one is the required arc. These are also similar according to given instructions. We have to go and draw the arcs. So it is enough now. In next video we will be seeing how to draw rectangle, rectangle or what we say ellipse, arc, axis, center. Rectangle and polygon we will be seeing in another video. So this is the about line command, polyline, circle and arc command. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you have liked our video.